Hey there, today we're going to be talking about how to stream to multiple destinations like Kick, Twitch, YouTube, whatever you need when you're IRL. This will work whether you're on an iPhone, desktop, Android, live view, or whatever you need, and essentially it's called a streaming server. I recommend one called Streamable, which we'll be going over in this video, and there's a free trial so you can use it at no cost. And let's head right in. All right, so this is streamable.run. It'll allow you to IRL stream from any device to multiple destinations all at the same time. They're also coming out with a feature where you can stream vertically and horizontally at the same time. So you can have a scene for your Twitch and edit a scene for your TikTok and stream to both at the same time. By the time you're watching this video, it's probably out, so give it a try. So to get started, all we need to do is start our server. It takes less than a minute, around 30 seconds. While we're waiting for that, I'll show you guys in the settings. We can go to destinations, and here I have Kick, Twitch, and YouTube all enabled. And so when we go to our server, we'll have a control panel where we can control our stream from any device and anywhere in the world. The main thing here is this destination. So if you can see, I have Kick, Twitch, and YouTube. And what we're going to do really quickly is just connect my iPhone. We made this super easy. All you need to do is use your phone camera to scan this QR code for Moblin and then click go live on Moblin. And just like that, now we have our ingest 1, which is my phone data going into Streamable, which is our streaming server, which then as soon as I click start all streams, it's going to go to Kick, YouTube, and Twitch all at the same time. And so let's just check that really quickly. Here we have Kick being live, YouTube being live. If we go to the live broadcast, as well as Twitch. What's really cool is that you can open up remote OBS, which you can control from anywhere. And real quick, I'll show you guys, if you guys lose connection when you're IRL, what will happen if you don't have the streaming server? I'm going to emulate this, by the way, with the airplane mode. What would happen if you don't have a streaming server is that the streaming platform will just end your stream, like Kick or Twitch will just mark it as ended and all your viewers will be kicked. But with Streamable, what we do is automatically switch you to an ingest offline scene, which has your offline clips. And I'll just emulate going back online by turning off airplane mode, which means it's going to get reconnected. What Streamable will do is automatically resume your stream and your viewers never get kicked. All right, hopefully that's helpful. Streamable does have a free trial as well as a discount, so try it out with your setup and see if you like it. Hopefully that's helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next video.